So I've had this curl bar from PRx for just over a month, and in this video I'm going to share my thoughts and give you a full review. Hey, my name's Mike Behrens. I've been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years, and I've had a home gym for over 10 years. But today, I'm in my parents' home gym setup to talk about the curl bar from PRx. Having a curl bar was super important when we set up the home gym. So we got the curl bar from PRx, and it's great. It's a curl bar. It has it so you can change the different grips. I've talked about in other videos my dad's wrist mobility because he worked construction for 40 years. He doesn't have as good of mobility, so having the curl bar actually helps with the range of motion and the lifts that he can do, so it was great to have that. I use the curl bar and I thought it was great. I don't have a curl bar at my home gym, so I want to steal it from my folks, but I'm gonna leave it for my dad so that he can use it, and maybe I'll get one of these days. But I liked having the curl bar because back in the day when I was just doing some straight bodybuilding stuff for wrestling, I wanted to get big arms, and that curl bar was awesome. If nothing else, it made you feel strong because it was curled, and so it almost felt like you bent the bar.
So let's talk about some details on the PRx Olympic E-Z Curl Bar. It comes in at $129 with some financing options available. And PRx knocks it out of the park with their storage options. So there's a bunch of different options to choose from. You can get a single bar storage or a double bar, whatever works for you. There's plenty of storage options to choose from. The curl bar is great for all types of different curls, also great for skull crushers, front arm lifts, tricep rollovers, all kinds of different things to work out your arms. And it has standard size sleeves that fit all Olympic plates. As far as the specifications, it's a 19-pound bar. The total length is 47.5 inches. The barbell length is 33.25 inches. The sleeve length is 6.5 inches. The sleeve diameter is 1.96 inches. It has a medium level knurling on it. The capacity on it is 330 pounds. Please let me know in the comments if you are hitting that on your curls. I will be super impressed. And the finish is a hard chrome.
And who doesn't like doing some curls to look good in a t-shirt? Okay, so that's my thoughts on the curl bar from PRx. If you want to get one yourself, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description, and stay tuned to the channel for more reviews on PRx equipment line and tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.